So Baghouse.com inspections and system audits are different from other companies' offerings in a few ways. A lot of companies, unfortunately, what they call inspections really is just a sales visit, which has its place. A pop in, come walk around, talk to people a little bit, bring a box of donuts, go look at the Baghouse, maybe shoot the breeze a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. But that's not a system audit. That's not an inspection. Other companies also maybe go too far the other way, and you want them to come out and take a look at a problem you have, and they come out with a team of 5 engineers. They got their lasers and stuff like that, and they spend 3 weeks, counting the threads and the bolts that hold the ductwork together, and give you then a 500-page report afterwards. That's just full of dense, unnecessary and unuseful information that only an engineer would love to read. We try to find a really nice balance there with being practical and efficient with our system inspections. So we come out, we're usually able to, in 1, 2, maybe 3 days, depending on what exactly we're doing, we're usually able to complete our inspection of even larger facilities. And then when we come to generating a report, our reports are detailed and they're thorough, but they are written with high standards of writing so that the information is conveyed very clearly. It's concise. It's easy to see what the main conclusions are, what the recommendations are, and then you have additional information in the appendix and things like that where you can see a full quote for every item we recommend. So you can go and dig into that later, but it's very easy to read and understand whether you're an engineer, an operator, manager, environmental personnel, whatever your role may be. The information is clear and accessible and understandable for everybody. So I think that really differentiates our offering from what a lot of other companies do. And I will add that because we're a full system OEM service provider, when we give you our report, whether or not you choose to use us, that's up to you, but we will almost always include proposals, quotations for anything that we recommend, so that you have it right there at your fingertips, ready to go. You understand how much something's going to cost, what it's going to involve, and you even have an opportunity to pursue it right away with us and get it resolved quickly.